and thank you very much for coming and being part of this great initiative and great stars. Now.
All right, so yet another event by Filmfare, by Danube. Every time they do it, they make it so glamorous, right?
Absolutely, they do. Every time a good location, good people. It's fantastic to be here.
Absolutely. And tonight is yet another night for the stars, the Arab Asia stars. Tell me more about My Dubai's association with Filmfare and with this event.
Well, I think we've done this now several times. It's the third season. I think it's the third season that we're with it. As My Dubai, we're a young, upcoming brand. We're now getting established, but we're always looking for new, innovative things, new talents. And certainly Asia, Arab, this is the region to do it. So for us, it just matches with what we want to stand for. And people like our brands, people like this event. So it's a happy marriage. It's a happy marriage.
Mr. Kareem, congratulations on being an icon in the world of fashion here in the UAE and winning an award today at Arab Asia Stars Season 3. What's the feeling like?
I'm so happy, so glad. And I would like to say thank you so much for each and everybody, like especially on my TikTok family and Instagram family. They have voted and they always stand by me, and they have supported me in social platform. And thank you so much, each and everybody. And yeah, I'm so happy, and I have no words to express my feelings.
All right, Adil, with Danube and with Filmfare, you guys are known to bring out the best of things. Arab Asia Awards is one of them, recognizing talent here in this region, and this is season 3 of it. Tell me more about it.
Well, first of all, Priya, I must say you're looking really beautiful today. Arab Asia is something that we came up with because there's so much talent over here in Dubai in different categories, and we've been having, it was so difficult to choose the finales because the kind of nominations that came in were unbelievable. So much talent in Dubai, and we're happy to create a platform where people can share, the different kinds of talent and, recognize them over here in this kind of platform. So that's what it is, and this is our third season, and I think it's doing well.
We love your content. We love your makeup. So well deserved in the category of beauty. What's the feeling like?
It's amazing because I always wanted to bring men out there for skincare. It's very difficult for men to start up a skincare. So I want to bring this trend. If I can do it, then anybody can do it. So that's why I want to make sure that girls, boys, everybody takes a benefit through it. And I just always make sure to emphasize a lot on skincare and then makeup also.
इतने सारे टैलेंट्स हमने आज स्टेज पे देखे जो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी तरह बनना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आप एंटरटेनमेंट की क्वीन हो।
थैंक यू सो मच। मैं इनको दुआएं देती हूँ कि हमारी तरह और भी बड़े स्टार्स की तरह बने। दुबई में मैं राखी सावंत डांस एकेडमी बहुत जल्द डालने वाली हूँ, जिसमें सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट होगा, डांसिंग होगा, और ऐसा कोई इंसान जिसने कभी जिंदगी में डांस नहीं किया होगा उसे मैं डांस सिखाऊंगी।
That's a wonderful news that Rakhi ji has just given us कि डांस एकेडमी वो खोल रही है
और इन जितने भी टैलेंट है इन सबको ब्रेक मिलेगा उसमें।
Rahul, many congratulations. I can see you can't stop smiling with this award that you've just won at the Arab Asia Awards Season 3. Excited, feeling overwhelmed. What is it like?
I don't know what to say. It's like everything in one bundle. But yeah, pretty much being my birthday, being a special event.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I mean, I wouldn't have achieved this because if it was my mom supporting, my girlfriend, everybody supporting me. So thanks to them.
Yeah.
And dance has been my passion throughout. So just continuing with it, going with the flow. And yeah.
Malavika!
And now we have a singer with us. Malvika, congratulations on winning the award here. Since which age have you been singing?
I think I've been singing from as long as I can remember. I've been singing since I think I was 12. and it was just something I did as a hobby, as a passion. It wasn't something I took seriously until like very recently. But yeah,
But nobody in the family is a singer.
my dad.
Your dad.
Yeah. So they all sing.
So have you started training professionally now?
No, I have not. Not yet.
But now you will look at it.
I might. Yeah, I might look to it. Yeah.
If
you love me, why'd you leave me? Take my body, take my body.
Perfect. Thank you, Malvika. Right, Khushi, I saw you up there on the stage. You were electric. What energy. Congratulations on winning the award for the best dancer here at Arab Asia Season 3. How do you feel?
I was actually really nervous before I got the results, but I was literally so shocked, and I was overflowed with happiness as to like me winning the competition. So I'm really thankful, and I'm really happy.
We wish you all the very best. Thank you so much, Khushi, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
सच बताऊं तो मेरे को ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं खुद हंस लूं आज पहली बार आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस अवार्ड, क्योंकि इट हैज बीन इट्स बीन अ जर्नी कि लाइक स्टार्टेड ऑफ गोइंग ऑन स्टेज और कोई नहीं हंस रहा था, एंड देन नाउ यू गेट दिस, सो इट्स अ जर्नी.
I really want to know about this. ऐसा हुआ है कि आप स्टेज पे गए हो, आपने कुछ बोला है और लोग हंसे नहीं हैं?
ओह ये तो मतलब फॉर एवरी कमेडियन दिस इज देयर बडिंग स्टेजेस. मतलब आपके ऊपर कोई हंसेगा नहीं, ये आपकी मौत है अंदर से. मतलब दिल धड़कने तो में रणवीर सिंह करता है ना वो ऐसे 90 डिग्री, वो मन करता है अंदर से. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लाइक व्हेन यू गेट दिस इट कीप्स यू थ्राइविंग कि और करो, मेक पीपल लाफ. एंड मेरे को ये जानना है आपने मेरे से हिंदी में क्यों बात की. आई कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश.
मतलब क्या भाई, हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, हमें बात करनी चाहिए हिंदी में.
नहीं मैं देख रहा था ना आप सबसे इंग्लिश में बात
आप सुन रहे थे?
मैं देख रहा था कैसे देते हैं इंटरव्यू.
नहीं नहीं, it's not about Hindi or English, but I think we were loving your stage presence and we love your content, and I think you are making me laugh while interviewing you. तो कोई तो होंगे आपके, there must be somebody who you look up to, there must be someone who inspires you. Who is that?
Yeah, Zakir Khan, a very famous comedian.
Sakt Londa.
Sakt Londa. So there's a good story behind it, that when I was 17, I was working for a show as an usher. And that day I promised myself कि एक दिन मैं भी स्टेज पे चढ़ूंगा.
That's wonderful. And where do you intend to go from here? Journey क्या सोच के रखी है?
जर्नी अब ये है अपना सोल्ड आउट शो करने, वर्ल्ड टूर करना है, वीरदास के साथ शो करने अब.
क्या बात है, वीरदास देखा था इस बार आपने?
नहीं, आई मिस्ड इट क्योंकि मैं खुद शो कर रहा था.
चलो, thank you so much for talking to us, Prateek, and wish you all the very best.
So much, thank you.